Is there a limit to your mercy? 'Cause I make mistakes. I'm asking.
There is limit to your mercy. I want to know. Is there
a limit to your mercy? God's mercy is everlasting. It's infinite. It's uncountable, unmeasurable. You can't quantify it.
Yes. Uria, yes, nice year being. You don't know, great. And bro.
Christ Message TV. The Dobby Bias, so Onya Daje, and Yabote, and if you video. Yes, you'll be Bias, Saka message here. Like my subscribe and share my send a bear, a no. Your message and that video for Phobia the bar. On sa a bit to me, I can't. Yet that will be as your friend me JY, and I'm a brother, a friend request. And no, your more BBR aquava.
Yes, no, sir. Your boy, you tonight, yan so for yan on your evangelist, on your apostle, on your teacher, and some year banner. Untient, one fan, a radiasum, no credit a woman. And I had yes, amount. Nay, yes, so say, also, your time, I can be. Now, Simbia, Yakan, you can't say, the one musical screwdriver or screwdriver or screwdriver.
Exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe.
So, sir, and this only Anshima, so for be at the betrayed you. Until one ye chimudino. You should not quite enter today. I just saw until your best person, you was subonum. A subonum, ye can't a subon was not ye two for affirm. Na ye nkyerɛkyerɛ so ye de efam ti Kristo se monko wi asefo na nya na obegye dia obetwedi dia obebo na su no monye de monkyerɛkyerɛ no enkosi se ono Kristo be ye de ebeba nti ye kyerɛ wo asubo no na ye ma wo afutuo nsempa eka ho na wate ensem bia ye de ase nti ye wo honkonkron asubo no na ye de ye ka eho asem no nti ye hwɛ first verse free
John chapter 14 verse 17.
John chapter 14 verse what? 17.
He is the spirit who reveals the truth about God.
So, he is the spirit
who reveals the truth about God.
Enti onuadofo ena aweye brebi yes so say ma honkonkon de ben emoso before can am say suro hono bra can suro hono bra
yeah fan of 15
first one na 17
17
on the
16 John chapter 14 verse 16 I said I will ask the Father
I will ask the Father
and he will give you another helper.
So he will give you another helper
who will stay with you forever.
Who will stay with you forever. Ono ena oni ye betena ho akosi se nyame ebede ena nyankopon ono a obo osoro na asase obo ehome a obi ntimi mobi nti enne no de wa almost the God ne sane ma bia barokwa no wo de obo mpaye kura ka se awrade a obo mframa because obi ntimi mo mfrabo ntimi mempaye no temi ne nkobo busum bi dini obi se ubo God a waka busum bi wa yesi a wo de ka se wa ubo soro ne asase a obo mframa because ano no obo a e direct because obi antimi mo mframa nyame bi antimi mo mframa e wo wiasim obi anti ono no anye God bi na wo ye na obo mpan de ben akire no because unya obi obetuma ka se mframa menenye de mboy nyame a obo soro ne asase a obo mframa nipa timi ehum eno ne hwasem na ye de ye eka because ne bebre nyame se no oboa nyame ben ndi agro wa ye de wa twiwadi onu ya hwehwe no kran nkyerɛkyerɛ nti wo se obes okwaja no ho a obesre gya no na wa ma ye buafo a one ye de ebetena ho adi bone su enkunim nti onu ya untimi Any a Jamason kunim, nti sa boafo na Bible no kan wasa no. We sure say. Oh, yes, but Anibrasem Odia. Or say, or then ye boafo a obe boye akosi da obe try nchene. And I won't mean Jansanum. And this boafo no will be ampa. Hey, won't mean Jansanum. Won't mean Jasa over Willa Chifa. Where would I swim? Only yes, was a sir, boaf woman. No, no, but boam would die with a chifa. I don't know about boa or no qua would be to me well. I said the beer of fire,
so thy kingdom come.
I said, I
said, verse 17.
No, 16.
Verse 17. He is the Spirit who reveals the truth about God.
He is the Spirit who reveals
the truth about God. I say, the world cannot receive him because it cannot see him or know him.
This is unim sa ye kan unim no. The favorite name no. Oh my God, Bible no go for no obey mu nyina moto. O se odona obede ebe boae ana wo uti asoro no we tobo ewom abraha nyima bi wo ntimi nja ntu ye sure say nye wo ye nyina no I don't know who go so bo say nyame moae nyame omoae o wa ka to oboae na ye nya ya bi ne o se me kwa mesre enti obae no ebinim timin etene ye na ade nti na ye de ntimin etene ene ye wo biase man last bi na metie man bi awadim o se wona na yire ohu na yire o se love Christ di na di no o yi na di no nti ona na mfofo mo na ho a omo ne omo yire timi ko a but ono ko na yire de bia no omo ne age because o hene ye na ohu Christ and I hear so ehena but nde yebu asoro intimi ngi no kure ntum se awade problem there say ebam da bia ebinum adanse di o ya mon hwehwe nanse di mu ngai series ni what television ni program what television to mon hwehwe adanse di a ebe se mun kunai na mikino nsema okay on to na ntwona me hwe ndi mi se nti sa ne ma yina no ewo ho oh see oh ni yira ohu Christ ni yira so mu na
ohu Christ
nti sa de bi da okra na sa ni kunu tu a ohu Christ nti nwa yire no wa ye no fast afiri wo because odono sa na ohu no ohu nti tambia no na mfo na mo a omo da bi omo kontokwa na da bi omo de omo ni ajekwa nso ne Kristo ni ba je o chinje obaka se ebi ni osa ohu nti no kra no no, Sisubim, John John.
Yes, I say he is the Spirit who reveals the truth about God. The world cannot receive him because it cannot see him or know him. But you know him because he remains with you and is in you.
And do you sure say, oh, so no more no. Now, what can we trust? And yet trust oh or see even or see you know him yes sure say unim kronkron
but you know him because he remains with you and is in you otumu
ono na ewo eda ntime say o say do na ogidi no o ma o kwan we sure say unim no otumu hey, oh yeah, sure. Yanko Galatians ni ehesemi Galatians 5:25. Oh yeah, sure. So otumu. Ana utwa nturo sei. Entro yo de nkonkonsa amanfo hunsem kika.
Galatians
5:25. Oh yeah, sure. Onua yesre wo ye de yetufo emna wotiasi a enkwa humi awurade yakopon onji yi. Adwesa kira wo homa. Hwehwe honkokura subo na omwa okita where ye any every
whining
show no nye onho adwuma ansane asembesi a asi yede yesro o se hunhum asabesi watwatra wo o se wiase nye de enim sa nokore no nti ye guaso ndanim yempe nokore ye because hunkukura so bono yempesa yebe yekase yeka ohun ahia be wa yeka ni yede ni enwie asafofo no etimi wie obitin di 2 days ewie asubo obitin di 2 days one day abra asubo don na fates ka me say piti che na subo no hu no ana wutim di
just
one day ewie asubo na okọ Oria yede yeso se wakobọ su asonda ni bi ni yeso se intretere no so ma wo de hwehwe bi taache ho hwehwe babia omba ye intretere mo ni abre nyina no fato ni TV why because wan hwe ye ne se wan sere honkonkon amowa su a wote ho saa o se de ben yentie
I say the spirit has given us life.
Sa hunhum no eno na de emaye nkwa enti ye ka nkwaje ho asema ni pripebre no enti ade ye fa no nkwaje eye God ena ema nkwa na God no ye wo agya ne ye wo oba no ne ye wo honhunkrun sa miensen eno na omo ye de ema nkwa enti na akrisofo no besi ewo second God no Jesus Christ so ni wagya agya no ho wagya honhunkrun no wo unya nkwa da unya nkwa oh ase obike obeka say that dey ba say na akoye oil okay but anti ase so a ugya honhunkrun no wa I mistake agya de kwa no ugya no ho a obedient wanyo obedient amagya na wo de wasem kura because wanya obedient kura ase no kwa nya adwuma se agya no opu agya no pe ase no nya adwuma ne honhum nyere enya adwuma opu agya na because command no se agya na ma command ya oba no a oya asem no enya adwuma because tambia no oba no ye obedient to the father nti the father na kasa se ya ansa na agya na oba ba ye ebe ye adwuma wanka ho nya adwuma ne asa no so ye adwuma na se wanya ne honhum na an support na obua untimi enno yeye entima bebre ntimi nyere ennu ye no omahu Kristo bata omunyanya emutumi no emu ahodre no nti ajamana na atwia ba no so first one ba obetim second one obeje ko babi no ze na ayamre no ayamre so huza obana ba odi kina se gonze beginning ne no hu odi ne 2 minutes enni ni suntinu sa wo se ga kana omo deny de ahwo se
mam Bashiase
because 2 minutes egwo asem no unibi na ema nkwa no unibi because o se obeka ye ho akoye de akosi se Kristo be de ebeba ntini se otwe no ho firi wo a onua ubeferi yes so se twetwe na oye de o se oye de sisu yanko bi
I say the spirit has given us life.
The spirit what giving us what life.
He must also control our lives.
So I say oye de
he must also control our lives.
Ranya kupona asemu sa mo omankwa na oyesa oye de control self control you can impesa yebeko Galatians 5:19 self control ntine Kristo before bebre atiaso nim omo Kristo mu eye family planning di nuro family planning so etire say family planning etire say abusuanum ebia na yebeyese yebebom paye na ye family wo planning ebia yesika ebia
Bosumi say ye djuma awe say ye besi skasi
oh eno ye family planning na omodi nuro na ye say oni ye family planning nti otesombe ni hallelujah Yes, no, mine or the panias and no, they're dry and hey. Now, oh, my man, dear Bruce, think over. You're right.
I'm my abbot.
I've attended one maybe.
My abbot, you're da, if we say.
So, oh, no, Chris, I know Cray, over car. Kiss only be engine to Bacasa over. Last you, our dear home, Sani may you because this is your quotation and son of a dear to. Hey, your more quotations and a dear to. Uko Juma, and I'm saying you want to add Nintendo. You will tell you, ma, a free period within the rest. Until our dear Yakupon yet 30 days no, or my dear free period. I just say my verse and son of Ukaka, obviously, it's a verse in my pioneer, still on him to. I did be or my die or if free, am I? Intima whom daddy, Ewo, Uko Juma, who time be free, Udi and your pair, what be because that would be better, everybody, one and for better, everything come. Samna Avadim say, Pessa, Yabba war, and not visa or my free time woman, what the yes, any the Emfa Bonima. Na ye ni nkonko na obe control ye ntinu ye de nro condom ni ye use je why e se nyankopon na ama ye free period na odise no odise say enyere free period na ewo mtu bi se omo a ukwa ye tro say kam setan say wo ye sese a enyere hwe enyere ensi nyankopon onye nyankopon ni timodo no wase ade a ebechi yeso verse no ewo ode kwane betum ama eso be ya ebetima yede ayi yede afirim ntinde family planning no prophet tire say we share dura enye bode oni obika say ayi Jacob say ayi a nka sa awudu ngo betima wo wa ma free time fa enjoy na Kristo ni kwa ntimi control the bia present pampai. Hey, I don't know. Onia, ye Serena, yes, so say Konkono or tell mua. San or Craniano or Bemount or Bemount control you, sir. A man who be on Mount Coming, so you are Mount Com. A Bacrana or I don't obey you, sir. If you or bet your corner of Bafasua will be free. Or he said, we did not credit because Obit no credit. Obi be try kotum pa to so akofa na yidan so no se nye no kra o mbe dia se no nkru be do obe yiwa film na nipa da fade no opese nkru ye na Awurade buam ade susu waye asi what's the ben
verse 25 and we see I said the Spirit has given us life. He must also control our lives. Verse 26. We must not be proud or irritate one another or be jealous of one another.
And we sa no baswa untin so ne amoya sofo ni nua sofo ya promote no kwa na eye ya ye bo ni nua sofo abaso no na eye ya on ni nyina ye deken ya mane asompanyi ne eye ne ya ni bubi timfu ama yeba azuro edene ni nua okọ so no na eha no obetima twantro bi atwas wani yebe yina fira edno nti ye sure say ye nya ho nkonkon asubo on me ka say nkonkon asubo no na ye de ye tufu say yo bomodne why na hwehwe nkonkon ma onwo awfoforo hwehwe second given Adam na braba oye de oboy na ye de tu anamon edi akiri enche ye de kakre ya kan kwaro ye nya nwie bati ye de honkonkro so bono be de ebesiwa na yakọ ade foforo so ti ye beto so kakra bi na fe ye de wo asiwo why onua mensuro emra ye ho ha de ye wo nokre edemawo no credit ube TV wo wasum no answer ube subscribe ama
Christ Message TV. On saka video ya share my like it. Now subscribe. Send a bear bibia no. Ye message on sabeti ni aka.
Se me enka ho ye besna ba bi
Ye do bibia ase.
Petu numra.